Good morning, my name is Lonnie.Bowers. I'm here at Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon to show you this 2017 Northern Lights truck camper. It's a Model 811, beautiful camper. These are manufactured with a one-piece clamshell top, so a lot less likely there's going to be any leaks. It's all one piece with the exception of your vent and your air conditioner. It does have a solar panel on top. I believe it's a 75 watt. Beautiful interior. Relatively inexpensive in the used model like this is, but a beautiful camper. I'll take you inside and show you what this is all about. It does have electric jacks on the outside for ease of loading and unloading off of your truck. So one of the things you're going to notice when you walk into this camper is the beautiful craftsmanship. They're built very well. Even without a slide out, they have about the same amount of room that you'd have in a coach that does have a slide out, as far as the room between the right and left side, between your kitchen and your booth dinette, bed over the top of the cab of your truck, just like a regular camper. When you walk in the door, the first thing on your left is going to be your wet bath. So it's all inclusive. You got your bathroom, your shower, and your sink all in one unit. Refrigerator on the right. Dark wood interior, almost like a cherry, very beautifully done. Again, with that clamshell outside one piece, you also have, your interior on your upper is all one piece as well. The craftsmanship is just very, very nice. Nice product, very well built, and very appealing to the eye. I want to thank you once again for dropping by, taking a look at this camper, and spending your time with me. Again, if you have any questions on this camper or other units that we have you may be interested in, please feel free to contact me. Best way to reach me is on my cell phone, area code 458-210-4130, and I'd be happy to talk to you about anything you'd like to discuss.